You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 10,900 or 104.403. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals 65 and y1 equals 79. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals negative 35 and y2 equals 49. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals 65. x2 equals negative 35. y1 equals 79. y2 equals 49. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 10,900 or 104.403.